Statements are correct in context of national emergency in India. 1. President can issue ordinance on subject of parliament is not in section. Second, the center becomes entitled to give executive direction to state on any matter. Third, president can cancel the transfer of finance from center to the state. So all these 3 points are correct. So correct answer here is D. 1, 2, 3. Which of the following organization published index to major tropic conjunctions in various cities, conjunctions in various cities across the world? A. International Roads, B. United Nations Road Safety Collaboration, C. TomTom, and D. Break the Road Safety Charity. So correct answer here is TomTom. TomTom is its finding published are part of the Traffic Index 2018 published by TomTom and consider the following statements with respect to fundamental duties. 1. Fundamental duties are where inspired by Constitution of USA, they can be enforced by law made by Parliament. The fundamental rights have been amended only once since their incorporation in the Constitution. So second and third is correct here. Correct answer is D, 2 and 3 only. Recently, the Director General of Foreign Trade notified procedure for the quota allocation for import of calcined pet coke. In the context following, consider the following statements regarding pet coke. 1. It is a carbon-rich solid material derived after the burning of coal. Second, it is more eco-friendly and less pollution than the traditional coal. Which of the statement given below is correct? So neither 1 nor 2. D is correct. With reference to the classification of the states, consider the following statements. 1. After independence, all the states were classified into 4 groups. Second, group classifications were abolished on the recommendation of Fazal Ali Commission. Which of the following statements given are correct? So here 1 and 2 both are correct. So correct answer is C. Consider the following statements about the Central Zoo Authority. 1. It is the statutory body under Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Second, Prime Minister is the ex officio chairman of a Central Zoo Authority. C. It has the right to recognize and de-recognize zoo in India. Which of the following statements are correct? So 1 and 3 only the answer of this question, option 1 and 3. So here B is a correct answer. Which of the following issues can be taken up by the National Human Rights Commission? 1. Issue of manual scavenging. Second, problems faced by notified and demotified tribes. And third, issues related to the right to the health. So all of these three are correct. So correct answer is C here. Which of the following requires a constitution amendment under Article 368 of the Constitution? 1. Election of a president and its manner. Second, admission or establishment of a new state. Third, changes in representation of the state in parliament. So 1 and 3 is correct answer. So option C is correct here. To provide early childhood care and education for all children until they complete age of 6 years is a provision made. The 1 is fundamental rights, B DPSP, 3 fundamental duties and 4 election schedule. So correct answer of this question is DPSP, that is directive principle of a state policy. Which of the following provisions are stated in fundamental rights? 1. To protect and prove the natural environment. Second, to protect monuments which are declared to be the national importance. C. To uphold and protect the sovereignty and unity and integrity of India. And fourth point, to promote harmony and spirit of brotherhood. So correct answer here is 1, 3 and 4 only. So C is a correct answer.